guys, how are you doing? Today we are on an Autobahn strip to northern Germany, and we have the new Porsche 992. This is actually the Carrera 2S model, so rear-wheel drive, and it's a cabriolet. And we will be going on this famous Autobahn strip, the Kasseler Berge, and see how the chassis and the whole engine is. First impression of the car is already that the turbo engine has a lot of punch, the response is very, very good, and that we have a pretty good sound inside of this car, which is not that far away actually of the GT3 we drove in that mountain area last year. So let's head off, go to Sport Plus mode and see how good the car performs. As you probably realized that I forgot my gloves. I don't know if I can even drive this car without those gloves, but we will still give it a try. Pretty amazing. 280 uphill, awesome. Driving capabilities are, I would say, between the predecessor GTS that we drove on this leg and the GT3 9912. Actually, the chassis is super well balanced, even though we got the cabriolet here, the convertible, and power delivery of that engine is a lot better than what I expected from 450 horsepower. Feels similar to the 500 HP GT3 engine actually from a power delivery. Amazing gear shifts, super fast gear shifts, very, very strong on upshifts, sweet on downshifts. Summarizing the feeling, actually the chassis setup, as said, is very well. We reached speeds up to 280, 290, which is a lot in the Kasseler Berge. The confidence that you get from the chassis and also from the steering is very good, and I would say above the 911s that we drove before. I actually get the feeling that this car is somehow balanced well, and therefore gets a character similar to a mid-engined 718, which really helps you in this mountain area on the Autobahn. Yeah, so not only the engine is a great entry engine already for the 992, but also the chassis and steering is a huge step forward for the 911. We'll have a lot of fun with the car on the next days.